How's it going, guys? Today we're just gonna do like kind of a mod, overview of everything that's done to this 2008 Lexus ISF. The first ISF I purchased was also a 2008, but it was pretty much stock when I bought it. All I did was a tune and exhaust. I think I put about 80,000 miles on it, and then I sold it to my brother. He had it for a little while, so I was thinking like maybe I'll sell this. Maybe I was even thinking of going maybe German to get something maybe a little faster, just something different. And then this opportunity arose to buy this one, and it had like much more horsepower and same kind of concept, which I love the car. So I was like, all right, same car, more power. We'll see how it does. And everything's going great. I think I put about 3,000 miles on it so far. So I've been driving it a lot. Definitely tempted to drive it more and more. I guess I'm just excited since it's new, so I drive it a lot. But the car does have an LSD from Cusco that I forgot to mention in the clips you're about to see. But yeah, so it is equipped with LSD, which the 08, 09 ISFs were not. So that was one thing that I was maybe looking to get. And this car had it, so. All right, now that I washed off most of the pollen here, it's semi-presentable to show you guys. So here it is, the Roadtrek Supercharger. So this is from RR Racing. They make the kit. I think it's about 10 grand or just shy of 10 grand. Yeah, so this is centrifugal, and it's supposed to be doing about 650 wheel. This is the, I believe, older model that RR Racing was installing. I think they have a C38R now, one that does over 700 horsepower. Lithium ion battery in there. RR Racing air oil separator. Previous owner put a strut brace on here. I might get one that kind of color matches the car, but for now this looks nice and neat. The grille surround is the color matched, and this grille itself is painted black. That's one of my favorite parts of the vehicle, honestly. All right, so they're a little dirty still, but the RCF front brakes with the two-piece rotors here, they're just a lot bigger than the stock ones. They got the F as well. Same in the rear, they have RCF brakes in the rear and two-piece rotors. Alphega diffuser and wing. These are full carbon fiber. Color match the vinyl there. I think it's cosmic blue. So it is tinted all around, as well as the windshields, lightly tinted, so we'll see how that goes in Pennsylvania. This car is equipped with the PPE headers and the Borla catback with just a little bit smaller mufflers. I think they're called a TAC, possibly. They're also Borla, but they're just smaller mufflers to give it a little more sound. Also, there is a carbon fiber drive shaft. Not the best work you've ever seen, but I chrome deleted the trim here. On the interior here, we have Elvin carbon fiber. All throughout the interior, we have an Elvin carbon fiber steering wheel with paddle shifters. Everything's pretty uniform. Yeah, Alcantara center console. I have some Sonax that I'm gonna go in on that with. So you're driving on back roads, it's fun, and you can tap into some of the power, but obviously not a lot of it. So the highway is where this thing really just comes alive. So the big difference between the 2008 Lexus ISF I used to have and this one is Penske coilovers. They handle so well. They hug corners really well. I mean, they're like pretty much the best in the business. That just makes this car stand out and handle just so much better than my last one. It was the dead of winter when I first got this car, and I was pretty scared to drive it. It probably took me 2 to 3 weeks to like really tap into the power, but now I'm pretty comfortable with it. Yeah, any gear you're in, you're flying, and you get to 120 in Mexico in no time. Flies. So when I bought this car, almost everything was already done to it. Gaze of the mechanic, my friend built it very well. So pretty much the only thing I did was the steering wheel. I did the chrome delete, which is something small, just like little cosmetic. But I'll probably get new wheels because they're nice wheels, but they're also not forged, so I might get something stronger. And then maybe just switch tire setups. These are the Hankook RS4s, and they ride pretty well, but I haven't tried many tires too, so I'm probably gonna go maybe Michelin or something a little stickier and more performance for the summer, because obviously I'm not dailying this thing. Subscribe for more content. Yeah, we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.